Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm planning in my Sweet Kawaii Design and Cricut Paper Co. planner for the week of November 29th. Super exciting to be starting December, so I pulled out this Critter Christmas kit from Sweet Kawaii Design, and I love it. Love the double box. It's so cute. All the friends are here. So I'm just going to be using this kit this week, and that's pretty much it. I hope everybody's having a great day. Like, my goodness, is that really bringing us through the 5th? It is. That's why I was like double checking. I love this bottom washi. This pink is amazing. I love how with his planner, like every week, I just feel like it's such a clean slate to start planning on. I don't know, I really like the plain white design. So I'm super excited that Tasha did that for next year too. I love the double box. I think I'm going to go ahead and, I don't know, I think I might actually make it go together. Because I'm going with the spread like this, lining up the boxes. I love these critters. They're so cute. Look at this. I'm not going to put the habit trackers this week. I'm just going to use this box for meals. That's fun. Monday, Tuesday, Friday I'm working, so I'm just going to put these in the middle. So I put these little critters there just for decoration, just to make it fun. Let's put the weekend banner. Then I think I'm going to use these to plan out dinners. At least on the days I'm off. And I'll put lunch in the smaller boxes. I said I was gonna do this for meals, but I'm gonna do these. I'm not sure yet what I'll use that for. And then cute, that's fun. So this is like a pink Christmas bomb, and I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.